Hi, this is Paul for the Pond Guy, here to tell you about the SolidFlo G2 pump. Pumps are designed to help circulate water in your pond, either to an external filtration system or a water feature like a waterfall or stream. The Pond Guy SolidFlo G2 pump is a fully submersible, energy-efficient, asynchronous pump that features a low-profile design and can easily be camouflaged in any pond. SolidFlo G2 pumps are great for pressurized filters, UV clarifiers, and waterfalls. The large pre-filter minimizes maintenance by allowing particulates up to 1/4 inch in diameter to pass through without damaging the pump while keeping out larger debris. This makes the SolidFlo G2 pump ideal for ponds not equipped with a skimmer. The SolidFlo G2 pump comes in multiple sizes to best suit your needs. Installation is simple. The step-down fitting allows you to connect kink-free tubing or use the PVC attachment on larger models to connect the 1.5 inch flexible PVC. When working with kink-free tubing, cut the step-down fitting down to the largest connection that will work with your tubing to maximize flow. Then, connect the tubing and secure with a hose clamp. Next, fully submerge the SolidFlo G2 pump into a flat area in the opposite end of your pond from your filtration system. Finally, plug the SolidFlo G2 pump into a GFCI protected outlet. SolidFlo G2 pumps are equipped with pump protection technology. When starting up, the pump automatically performs a pre-programmed self-test to approximately 2 minutes in length. If it's running dry or is blocked, it will shut off automatically after 90 seconds. If this occurs, unplug the unit, flood the pump with water, or remove blockage to restart the pump. The SolidFlo G2 pump requires minimal maintenance throughout the season. If you notice a reduction in the water flow, simply pull the pump out of the pond and remove any large debris that may be covering the pre-filter. If you live in a climate where the pond must be shut down for the winter, remove, drain, and store the SolidFlo G2 pump for the season. For annual maintenance, check out the SolidFlo G2 maintenance video. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.